For 35 years, Natrelle has been a leader in breast cosmetic and reconstructive surgery, helping women enhance or restore their bodies with top quality, safe solutions designed to meet their needs and desires. Here to share more about Natrelle is double board certified plastic surgeon, Dr. Killeen. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Dr. Killeen, what is Natrelle and what makes it a leader in the industry for breast augmentation and breast reconstruction?
So Natrelle is a breast implant company, and as you already mentioned, they have been around for 35 years, working to develop fantastic implants with a wonderful safety profile. And what makes them the #1 surgeon chosen brand is that they have so many options for our patients. They have 5 different profiles and 3 different gumminess of the cohesive silicone gel. And that really allows me as the surgeon to help patients choose the best implant to reach their aesthetic goals.
As a doctor, why do you specifically choose Natrelle for your patients?
So I choose Natrelle for my patients, and I chose it for myself because of that safety profile. So all of the options are wonderful to help patients meet aesthetic goals, but my #1 concern as a patient and a physician is that I use the most safe product for my patients. And I love Natrelle's commitment to safety with their implants, developing good devices with minimal complications.
So what is the difference between breast augmentation and breast reconstruction?
So breast augmentation is a cosmetic procedure where a woman chooses an implant to enhance their volume, their size, as well as their shape, whereas reconstruction is a restorative procedure. So patients that have lost a breast to cancer, they've lost volume from massive weight loss, they've had trauma or a congenital anomaly, it allows us to reconstruct or restore the breast so that they can feel whole again.
How does Natrelle's catalog provide options for patients to help them select a real customized look that's tailored to them?
So breast implants are not one size fits all. So not every woman wants the same outcome. So the different cohesiveness of the silicone gel can give you a round upper pole and full cleavage, or it can give you a natural slope and a breast that appears more subtle. The way that the implant sticks out from the chest is called the profile, and a higher profile implant is a more bold look, whereas a lower profile implant is a more subtle look. So when you come to your surgeon with your request, we can help you choose an implant that is more likely to get you there.
So what are some common myths when it comes to implants, and why is it so important to really be selective in the brand that you're choosing?
Well, one of the biggest myths with implants is that you never have to have another surgery again. And I think it's really important when you have a breast augmentation, you understand that these are not lifetime devices and that you do need to monitor them with imaging. It just becomes part of your health maintenance, just like a pap smear or a mammogram. So once you've had a breast augmentation, your surgeon will get you on a schedule to monitor your implants moving forward.
Well, Dr. Killeen, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
To learn more about Natrelle and how their work is helping women to meet their needs and desires, visit Natrelle.com.